Hi everyone, this is Tanakasan.shop, and today we are unpacking a really special thing. If you are like a fan of Formula One, just keep watching the video. Here we have the helmet, like the helmet, a really rare thing to have, and I was really excited like when I heard that someone bought it, and I offered myself like to make this video. And this is the helmet of Senna. And for those who do not know who Senna is, he was like the #1 racer in the 90s, 1990s. And right before Schumacher like came into the picture, the #1 was simply Senna. And this helmet here is a rare, really rare something to have. I'm really excited. Like just to open it, I cannot wait to open it. This item was bought by a guy, an American guy, I think. The starting price for this item was 800,000 yen, and he made a deposit like of 1,500,000 yen, and he won. And now we are sending him like his precious thing starting from tomorrow. And yeah, Senna, for those who don't know, he died like in 1994. It was a really tragic crash, like car crash. He went through like a concrete wall, and he died. And yeah, that was known as the Black Weekend, because right before him, because as you know, there are the qualifications like on Saturday, and on that day there's another Rattenberg, I think. He died like during the qualifications, and the next day there was like Senna, who died also on the race. So it was known as the Black Weekend. And yeah, now let's begin unpacking the item. So here it is. I cannot tell you how excited I am, really. So let's unpack it. I don't want to spoil anything, so I can see it. I really want to touch it. And you must know that this helmet is one of 200 that are present in the world and were signed by Senna himself. And I cannot tell you how excited I am. So here it is. It's my favorite color, it's yellow. So I will take it out. And here it is. Okay. No need to speak. Like, wow. So this is it. This is the helmet. As you can see, here is the signature of Senna himself. And as you can see, like it's Honda. It's before he goes to Renault in 1994, when, unfortunately, when he died. And here you can see the number. Like this helmet is number 204 out of 250. So it's a really rare item. So this helmet was bought from Japan via Tanakasan.shop, and even you can like go to Tanakasan.shop and find your what?
Precious.
Your precious. The rare thing that you're looking for. And as you can see here, the colors are mainly yellow and green, because Senna himself was Brazilian. So here we can see the colors of Brazil. And it's beautiful, my God. If it wasn't like under this glass, I will touch it. Really, I will touch it. But I cannot, unfortunately. And what else? I'm really happy to know that people around the world can use like Tanakasan.shop and online bidding and everything just to get hold on the things they want. And you can do this. So sign on Tanakasan.shop, and if you have like something you're looking for, rare something like this, or even rarer, I don't know how to say it, like more rare or something that you cannot find, maybe, just maybe you will find it in Japan, and by using Tanakasan.shop. Go to Tanakasan.shop, register, and maybe, just maybe, you will find your precious. See you then. Thank you very much.